My queens, if your hair is breaking, shedding, or not growing at all, or you have a stubborn hair you cannot manage it, stay tuned with me because this natural relaxer is to completely change your hair story. Well, I use this thing to maintain my hair length, to stop hair breaking and stop hair shedding. So all these things, if you know you are facing it or you have dandruff in your hair, this hair mask will complete change everything for you. Just two ingredients from your kitchen. So stay tuned, we'll start it together. And also remember, I will definitely going to tell you guys the benefit of each ingredient that I'm going to use inside of this treatment. And also I will apply it to my daughter for you guys to see the result also. So right now I start with my potato. I already washed my potato. Now I'm going to cut it into smallest pieces and put it inside my pot and boil it. My queens, let's talk about potato. Potato is supporting healthy scalp appearance and also it's nourishing hair. It's also having vitamin C and vitamin B6 and potassium. So potato is very good. Potato is also making your scalp to look more clean and healthy. And remind you people, I always say it on my videos, all the time before you have a healthy hair, you need to have a healthy scalp. If you have healthy scalp, definitely you will have a healthy hair. So right now, after cutting my potato, I put it on fire. We are going to boil it. After boiling it, we'll start the next step. Please, so far, if you make it to this point, please like it and share for me. Thank you very much. Let's continue the work. My queens, our potato is ready now. I bring it from the fire. I'm going to strain the water. Please come back and watch that video because I'll use the potato water to make a hair spray. So you can come back to see how I'm going to mix it with a powerful ingredient. So now I'm putting the potato water aside and now we are going to continue the next process. So after finish boiling my potato, the next thing down now I'm going to do is to blend it. My queens, right now I'm adding my banana into my potato. So banana, let's talk about banana. Banana also is softening hair, reducing dryness, and also banana is having vitamin B and vitamin C and potassium. Mind you people, my people, dryness is causing what? It's causing breaking. It's causing hair breaking. But when your hair is always hydrated or always keeping having moisturizer, definitely is going to support and protect your hair from breaking. That is why the purpose of this thing, it's not like anything that when you use one night you are going to get the result, but the only thing, these things are supporting your hair to keep your hair staying away from dryness. And when your hair is not dry, it will not cause you to break it. So now I finished blending it. The next thing that I'm going to do is to strain it. Queens, after straining it, I'm going to take some part of it. I'm going to use it for my skincare. Please come back and watch that video. I'll put that video also in this channel. I'm going to use this for face mask, so come back and watch it and see how I'm going to use this to nourish my face. Imagine you make this thing you can use to nourish your face, to glow your skin. At the same time, you use to get moisturizer to maintain your hair length. What a beautiful thing. So our next ingredient is olive oil that I'm adding. Let's talk about the olive oil. Olive oil is giving moisturizer, adding moisturizer to your hair and adding shining. It's also having vitamin E and fat acid. Olive oil is very good when it's come for the hair care. Please do research about the ingredients. Try to make sure you find your paper and pen and write all the ingredients down and go and do the research. And also, I'm not saying you should do research and leave it there. Try it and let me know how it's go with you. So now our next ingredient is honey. My queens, let's talk about honey. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is also hydrating and softening hair, and it's having antioxidants and minerals. It's helping to soften your hair. If you have stubborn hair, if you want a way to get easier to comb or to manage your hair, try to incorporating honey into your routine. It's very powerful. So now our next ingredient is peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is very powerful. So when you are going to use it, add it, especially when you are going to use it for your child, please just add some few drops. Don't add too much, okay, inside. So it's stimulating blood circulation to the scalp, and also it's having antioxidant. It's very powerful. So after peppermint essential oil, our next ingredient is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is also protecting and conditioning hair naturally. It's also repairing hair damaging. So this natural cream, if your hair is breaking, damaging, whatever that you are going through, and you use this hair mask consistency, you are going to see difference and you will see the changes. At least try, if you say you cannot do it even once in a week, but try to be doing it at least 2 to 3 times in a month. So now after that, our next ingredient is Jasmine essential oil. That one I'm just adding right now. Jasmine essential oil is also improving softness and fragrance to your hair. It's having antioxidant. It's also one of the best and powerful essential oils, or the oils that I'm going to say you should incorporating into your routine. My queens, our next ingredient now I'm adding is carrot infusing oil. Do not mind me if you have that carrot, all the ingredients, and if you have everything you can add. If you don't have any of it, but always try to get vitamin E oil and honey and add inside. It also can do your work for you. My queens, I'm so sorry because I was planning to apply it to my daughter. This hair mask, before you apply, always try to make sure that your scalp or your hair is very clean. But when my daughter came back from school, her scalp is full of sea sand, so I cannot apply this hair mask to her. I'm going to leave it and take her to the bathroom. First of all, I will wash her hair before we come out and I apply this hair mask to her. So I'm so sorry, okay, because I was thinking I can apply it to her so that you guys see the result. So now before you apply, always try to damp your hair a little bit, massage it. Try to massage your hair ends, that you need to let this hair mask enter very well, because that's the oldest part. And the hours or the minutes that you can see as a child, if you apply it to a child, let the child sit 15 to 20 minutes is enough. But you, the adult, you can even keep it 40 minutes, 50 minutes, or 1 hour on your hair, no problem. But the children, please, 15 minutes you need to wash it off, because you don't need to keep it too much for the children hair. Thank you very much for watching. Here is the ingredients that I added. As I said, you can use the same ingredients, only honey. You can get honey and vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil you can get in the pharmacy to add inside, or olive oil. It's not necessary to get everything and put inside, but if you have all, why not? You can still add everything inside. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you all. I would love to see you guys in our next video. Please don't apply it with dry hair. Do not apply it with what? Dry hair. Always damp your hair before you apply it. Bye.